In the microscopic world of the skin, ceramides act like a loyal guardian, silently protecting the skin's health and beauty. In 1847, German physician Johann Ludwig Wilhelm Thudichum discovered ceramides, a key component of the skin's stratum corneum, accounting for 40% to 50% of intercellular lipids. Ceramides act like cement that fills the gaps between corneocytes, playing a central role in maintaining skin function. With powerful efficacy, they help reinforce the skin barrier, lock in moisture, and block harmful substances. Ceramides also improve dryness and flaking, delay aging, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and enhance the skin's resistance to allergens. Their ability to retain moisture is 16 times greater than that of hyaluronic acid, and they are easily absorbed while promoting nutrient penetration. Ceramide levels can decline due to aging, suboptimal skin health, harsh environments, over-cleansing, irritation from chemical skincare products, poor lifestyle habits, and frequent hot showers, factors that may lead to various skin issues. By applying skincare products containing ceramides, the skin barrier can be directly restored, enhancing hydration and alleviating dryness and sensitivity.